Okay, so the seatbelt buckle in my car keeps sliding down all the way into the crack, and it's kind of annoying. And I looked on Amazon, you can get 10 of them for $5, but I wanted to get into 3D design, and I got a 3D printer from my uncle for pretty cheap. So I thought it would be like the perfect starter project. So I'm gonna design it, and then we'll see if it works. I will probably have to iterate it on it multiple times just to get it perfect. Alright, so I finished designing it. It took me about an hour because I had to put this round over, but I asked ChatGPT, and ChatGPT told me how to do it. This is the male part, and this is the female part. So this one obviously goes in here through this seatbelt. And I think I'm gonna attach it with super glue just to make sure it stays there, because it might be unreliable if it's just clip-in. So I'm gonna print it, and then I'm gonna see if it works. Alright, so I've been trying to print it and it hasn't been working, but my friend came over and he has 2 3D printers. He said I should use glue. So I tried that and now it's working. I had to iterate it on 4 or 5 times on the design because it was too big or it kept failing. So I got the scale correct, and then I had to figure out the sizes of the protruding little stick thing and the hole to make sure it can go through the seatbelt, but it's not too small where like the print will fail. So yeah, printed amazing. So I'm gonna go install it on my car, and we'll see how that goes. So it worked great in my car, so now I'm gonna put it on Printables, Thingiverse, and Maker-World. I'm gonna link those in the description so you guys can print them yourself. And I'd say this is pretty successful design and build. Saved $0 probably, but whatever. I learned a little bit about 3D design, and I can make more stuff now.